Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Today I will be reviewing another EA. It is highly requested. It is called DAX Day Trader for MT4. This is a day scalper and it works on DAX only or GER30. Some broker have 40. And the time frame for this EA, it actually works on 3 time frame at the same time. So you will have 3 chart open, 15 minute, 13 minute and 1 hour. It is quite similar to an EA called Trade Angle, which also have the same strategy, but the approach might be a little bit different, but it is not 100% the same, but the concept is very similar. So recommended broker any ECN account, and the EA actually does use semi-martingale, but it does not use the grid. So what is semi-martingale? If one trade loses, it will increase the lot size 1.45 or sometime less or more. So it is a dynamic martingale. It is not like increasing rapidly, but it helps to recover faster and give more profit. And each trade has a stop loss, which is very amazing. Even with increasing martingale, you still will have a fixed stop loss and fixed take profit. And the minimum account, you can use it on 200 USD, which is very amazing for the smaller account. So before going to explaining the EA and live result, I just want to explain you what is GER30. This is a stock or a commodity. Some people or some broker are listing it as commodity, and it is an index. It's a stock market index in Germany. So you have 30 large companies, for example, like BMW, like Adidas or bank or whatever. All these are included into one stock. It is called GER30. So it is multi-billion-dollar company or stock that price depending on the up or rising of these companies. And DAX is very profitable and it is very volatile stock market. So scalping the DAX, that's why so many people are interested on GER30, because the scalping it is very highly profitable. You can use or you cannot use swing trading for days or some other strategy, because this has to be, you need to enter and exit fast. So that's why scalping is very good for this stock index. So what we provide with DAX EA, you will get the version 2.0 MT4, you will get the set file, no DLL at all, only for 15 USD. The original price is almost 800 USD, and you can use the advantage. It is low drawdown, that is correct, and highly monthly return. It is very true. Smooth without grid, yes, but it uses semi-martingale. One thing I really like, the average holding time is only 1 hour or less, and you can use for prop firm as well. So there are too many benefits for this EA. You can use it on many broker and instruments. So you can be expecting to have 20 to 40% monthly profit, and the maximum drawdown is only 14 to 17 or 16%, which is absolutely astonishing. So I will give you the live result and we will analyze it together. So for the live result, you can see DAX EA, it has made almost 358%. The gain is absolutely crazy, and the drawdown is only 60%. Now some people might accuse this as a fake. No, I absolutely guarantee you this is live result. This vendor is same as Money Tree EA, and I use it myself. It is working very fine. You can see you have very smooth growth. However, sometimes there will be drawdown and peak will happen, but you can see the profit from 10,000 he made 35, and this is absolutely amazing result. So here we can see for the statistic, and for the win rate you can see it is only 58%, but it's still making a lot of profit, and the average holding time is only 1 hour. So that is absolutely amazing. It will not hold you trade for days and weeks, because this is pure scalping, and recovery factor is good as well. The commission, this is using ECN account, so that's very important. And the best trade, you have higher best trade because of semi-martingale, it will be higher than losing, of course. And for monthly, you can see absolutely amazing result. For example, the peak result or the peak profit is 71% in 1 month. Can you imagine that? And the other month we have 30%, 30 30, 18, 13. Yes, he might be decreased risk. Yes, he might decrease the risk a little bit, perhaps to make it safer, but it is possible to make 30% a month with this EA using any broker. But I believe if you use it Blaze Market, because it seems to be Blaze Market really amazing broker. It provides the best quotation and the best price, so that's why many EA are working on it, and you can see the profit all the way from 1k and into 35,895 USD. So the profit are absolutely amazing, and the drawdown, you can see the average is only 10%. That's very low, and the peak happen is 15%. So it is a safe EA. Yes, it might be using semi-martingale, but the method and the methodology for this EA is absolutely advanced, and it is not like any classical EA. So for one day you can expect to have 1 or 3 trades, and you can see this one hit stop loss, this one hit take profit, and you have negative 5% plus 10% plus. So he is making a lot of money. If you just made, for example, one day you made 2,000 US dollar profit, I mean, you don't really need a job, to be honest. If you have 30 or 40,000 US dollar and you invested on this EA carefully, that will be possibility. But like so many other, these EA are profitable, but there will be some time where you have to handle the losses. You see the losing, you might have some losing streak, so this will give you frustration. You will say, well, this EA is scam, it's not working, he is just selling his EA. I agree with you, everyone is selling you something. No one is going to give you something for free, but the question is, does it worth it or not? Are you going to benefit it or not? The problem is not about selling. The problem is, the issue is, what are you getting from? Are you getting benefit? I believe yes. You can see sometime you will get loss, but sometime you will also get a lot of profit, which is amazing. And this EA only, for example, a trade that will be holding for 7 minutes or sometimes 1 hour. So analyzing this EA, it seems to be very amazing, to be honest. Yes, we have some drawdown. It might be using semi-martingale, but there is no 100% EA that will give you, for example, it will give you everything, and it's hard to get an EA like this. But the win rate is good, and the percentage is very amazing. You can see stop loss is working, TP is working, so why not? And let me show you it work only on one pair, which is GER30. You can see symbol is only GER30 or 40. So let me show you on MT4. We have this EA, we have the latest V 2.0. It's same as original. All you have to do is to load the set file for 15, 13 and 60 minutes. So here you're just gonna enter it. You will not do anything and click on OK. You can see license is valid. It will be working for lifetime, and you will also do the same on other chart. You will put it the time frame set file and make sure to follow my steps, and that's how you install the EA. This one does not require any DLL or any complex procedure. It is very simple. You just put it on 3 chart and it will trade. So let me answer your question before, for some people who are skeptical. Is this going to work on live result, on live account? Yes, I will guarantee you it will work on live, same as vendor. But from one broker to another broker, the result might be different. Please guys, be careful to this point. This one I cannot control. No one can control. You cannot just have one EA to give you the same result on every broker. Why? Because the price is different, the latency, the server, there are too many differences between each broker, so it will not give you the same 100% result. But if you want to get 100% result, I will show you the way. It is very simple. Just use the same broker, which is called Blaze Market, and that's how you solve this issue and you get 100% identical trade. So just want to mention this because some people are complaining why you're not showing the result. There are over 100 EAs. If I want to test everyone, I will need at least to have 1 million USD to test every EA. You see, it is different. Each one requires 1,500. I cannot test all of them, but this EA is for you. If you see it suitable for you, good for you, okay, purchase it, test it on demo for some time, turn it into the live. If you need my support, I will help you to set up everything via any disk or any remotely, so I will help you up to install it and fix any issue you might face. My conclusion, the result for this EA is absolutely astonishing, and we have the vendor is very reliable and he deserves every penny, to be honest. He's a very reliable vendor. I respect him. He's a good guy. And we have this advantage, which is semi-martingale. Otherwise, we have consistently live result and amazing, nice scalper. The only thing I might have disadvantage is using semi-martingale. So I believe this EA really is 4.5 out of 5 star, and this rating is fair and honest for this EA because we have live result, we have verified vendor, verified account, everything is correct. There is no scam or anything like that or anything that will be suspicious, so that's why I give it 4.5. That is all for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.